Okay, so on this video we'll be learning how to freeze frame. If you don't know the meaning of freeze frame, in a layman term, I might explain it as a particular section of your video that you like put on standstill. Put it to stay still, something like that here. So let's dive into it. So for you to like freeze frame a video, let's get where we want to freeze frame. Probably want to freeze frame here. Yeah, so okay, so what we have to do is to cut this part. It continues, just shift it away and go here. You select the clip, select this particular clip you want to freeze frame and come here to add frame hold. Select this add frame hold. If you notice something, they cut another clip for you, so don't panic. You did the right thing. So yeah, so once it brings out this frame here or this section, what you just need to do is to drag it, and end it with the other clips that it get continued from. Yeah, so let's play it and see what I want to do. Let me cut this place, let me stretch this. So yeah, let's play it and see. Yeah, so this is what I was trying to get, and where it continues again. If you don't want to continue it, if you decide not to continue, and just let's delete this, and if you decide not to continue, you can just delete that, and wherever you want to make it stand still, you can just right click on your clip, then you add your frame hold, and you stretch it. You can just end it there. You can just end it here, down to continue. So if you have any question, you can leave it in the comments. Yeah, I'll go through it and yep, I'll give you an answer.